So hi everyone, so today is January 31st and nandito tayo ngayon sa Solen Residences again para bisitahin yung house construction natin and to see kung ano na ba yung mga latest na progress, especially kung natapos na yung installation ng mga tiles and SPC flooring natin, both interior and exterior of the house. So yeah, right now andito na ako sa mismong tapat ng house. So yeah, that's what it looks like now at the moment. So we're still waiting for the installation of the WPC eaves para dun sa ceiling exterior. So I believe yung contractor has already ordered some of the materials for that, and they're just waiting for the delivery of the items. So hopefully by next week ma-install na yung sabi natin sa exterior. So yeah, I'll continue the vlog once we go inside the house. So let's see.
Show me how you care. Tell me how you loved before. Show me how you smile. Tell me why.
This will be the kitchen area. So it's now almost ready for cabinet installation. So this area here will be where the nook area will be. This will be the main kitchen. And then this area here in the middle will be the dining area, which is also next to the common toilet and bath in the ground floor. So this area here next to the main kitchen will be the utility area. The utility area we will be installing a dirty kitchen. So we have a main kitchen and a dirty kitchen here. And this area here, this part here will be the laundry area. So yeah, we already bought the appliances. They are ready to be delivered once the cabinet is installed. Ito na mga area na to is the it'll be the maid's quarter. Because sa houses na yung mga power box natin. And this can also be turned into a storage area din. So ito naman yung bathtub na i-install dun sa may basement area. So this one, we bought this from CW Depot. And this comes with the jacuzzi function as well, so hindi lang siya standalone bathtub. So this is the product code. Ito yung mga set of modular cabinets na na-deliver na from our contractor. So they are ready to be installed na. These are mostly for the wardrobe and TV console and TV and some wall accent as well. So, iba yung contractor namin for wardrobe and iba rin yung contractor for the main kitchen. So, yung main kitchen they will start to install, I think, on Tuesday. Hopefully by Tuesday, ready na itong kitchen area for installation. So, also yung mga pinto, we also have the partial delivery ng mga pinto. At yung mga wooden doors that we ordered from Rising Sun. So they will deliver the remaining items. I think there are still 10 more doors to be delivered, I think, on Monday. So I will also need to confirm with the supplier kung ready na yung doors for delivery. So sila rin yung naggawa ng main door natin. So the main door will also be delivered hopefully by next week. Kaya ito yung mga iba pang tiles. I think these are for bathroom tiles. Kasi may mga hindi pa tapos yung bathroom tiles. They still need to install tiles sa mga flooring pa. Wala pang tiles yung mga floor. And ito naman yung mga ibang mga items that we already purchased for installation. So most of these are lighting fixtures. So yun, may mga pin lights na tayo dito. We already have pin lights, drop lights, and chandelier for the dining area. So iba-ibang supplier yan. Some of them I just bought online. Some I bought from physical store. So yeah. I think for now, konti na lang yung light fixtures na kulang. Ang main nakunan na lang with the main chandelier in the stair dun sa stairs area. So we're still looking for magandang supplier na mura for our chandelier. Yun na yung laday area. And yeah, tapos na sila with tiles installation. Hinihintay na lang natin yung WPC panel for the ceiling. So this is the window in front of the carport. Ano yung carport natin? It's a 2 carport. We have minimalist design lang. So we have a rectangle, square design sa middle. Para naman hindi siya monotonous lang na gray lang. So we combine black and gray. And then here for the ceiling, this will be the same as WPC panel na i-install doon sa laday area and sa ceiling ng roofing. So we're still waiting for the delivery of the item. So hopefully by next week ma-deliver na. Dito naman sa basement, let's go to the basement area. So lalagyan tayo sa installation ng tiles and pina-finalize na namin layout ng ceiling sa our toilet and bath. Living area and the playroom area. Ayan. This area here will be the storage area. So, ito maglalagay ng I think ng cabinet underneath the stairs to store yung mga maybe mga toys, mga bata or anything, mga maleta, probably. We're also going to install stair lights underneath the stairs with motion sensor. So, every time na may aakyat o bababa, automatic iilaw yun. Hagdan. And going back to the living area, complete na rin yung ceiling and installed na rin lahat ng tiles. So sa living area, we installed 60 by 120 na tiles all the way from the first living area. So lahat yan 60 by 120 hanggang sa kitchen area and dining area. And this is the guest room. So completed na rin yung ceiling, and I think we have initial primer sa wall. Yung ating sliding door, inayos na rin ang contractor yung unang issue before dati hindi ito ma-lock. Right now, inayos na nila, so okay na, nalalock na siya ng ayos. So this one leads out to the lanai area and small garden area here. That's the guest room. And yeah, akyat naman tayo sa second floor. So going up again, we will be installing stair lights. Yan sa mga, kaya merong mga abang yan. We have also installed yung SPC initial floor tiles. So ito yung in-install namin. So dun sa landing area, may malaking window overlooking the neighborhood, and this will be the landing area. So ito, baka maglagay na kami ng small couch here, parang family area. And this is the kids bedroom. Master bedroom. And here's the balcony area. So at the moment, may waterproofing pa na ginagawa. So that's why wala pang tiles. So after matapos yung waterproofing, mag-install na kami ng tiles dito. Yan. So ito, na-install na yung SPC. Kaya meron na siyang tawag dito, takip para hindi magasgas. And this is the walk-in closet area adjacent to the master toilet and bathroom. So Ayan, we're still waiting for the contractor na mag-install ng mannequin and mirror. Here would be the shower area. Yeah, I still need to purchase yung mga shower and other fixtures for the shower and toilet and bath. So this will be where the walk-in closet will be. So ready na rin to install yung walk-in closet. So ito yung landing area. So itong wall na to, we're planning to put up like an accent wall, but we don't have any final design yet. Alright, so now dito na ulit tayo sa car. So we're done with the inspection. So far medyo malaki na yung progress from last week. Kasi nga ang dami na rin as per the contractor, naka-full blast na yung finishing natin. So kaya sobrang bilis na ng progress from last time. Hello, so it's still early at the moment. It's only 3 o'clock, and because masyado pa maaga para umuwi, we decided na pupunta muna dito sa sa playground para makapaglaro muna ang mga bata, kasi definitely sa Tagaytay masyado pa ma-traffic kung ngayon kami uuwi. So mag-stay muna kami dito for a while. Hi, so we're back inside the car. It's already past 4 o'clock p.m. So I think we're ready to go home na. Hopefully hindi na masyadong traffic sa Tagaytay. So yeah, we're heading back to Batangas now. So yeah, Batangas here at the back. So yeah, hopefully by next week marami pang update dun sa house. And yeah, we're really excited to matapos na yung house. So yeah, until then, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye. Bye. Bye, Scarlett. Okay, let's go. Bye.